Get ready for an exciting deep dive into the OM system OM-3, an incredible new camera that redefines innovation in photography. We're not just here to explore, we're here to ignite your imagination, dive into every intricate detail, and uncover what makes this camera a technological marvel. If you're a photographer, videographer, or tech enthusiast, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Imagine a world where technology doesn't just meet creativity. It anticipates it, enhances it, and pushes the boundaries of what you thought was possible. That's exactly what the OM system OM-3 promises to deliver. Packed with groundbreaking features, unmatched precision, and futuristic capabilities, this camera is a masterpiece that blends design, functionality, and raw power. In today's breakdown, we'll explore everything, from its revolutionary sensor and AI-powered autofocus to its video capabilities and rugged build quality. But before we jump into the details, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Technology in the Future for more in-depth reviews, tech breakdowns, and all the latest updates on groundbreaking gadgets. A sensor that transforms photography. The heart of the OM system OM-3 lies in its new 20.1 megapixel stacked micro four thirds sensor, designed to revolutionize image capture. Forget everything you thought you knew about sensors. This one isn't just about recording light, it's about understanding it. With dynamic range capabilities that rival even the most advanced full-frame systems, this sensor is a powerhouse for photographers who demand perfection. The stacked design significantly enhances speed, allowing for rapid image processing while maintaining exceptional quality. Whether you're shooting in harsh sunlight, dimly lit environments, or complex mixed lighting, this sensor performs like a pro, delivering vivid details and true-to-life colors that are nothing short of breathtaking. This innovation didn't come easy. Behind the scenes, a dedicated team of engineers spent years developing this sensor, overcoming challenges in noise reduction, color accuracy, and light reception. The result is a sensor so advanced that it feels like it was pulled straight out of science fiction. A processor built for speed and precision. Complementing this advanced sensor is the all-new TruePic 11 processor, a computational powerhouse that takes raw data and transforms it into stunning images. This processor doesn't just improve image quality, it redefines it. Its intelligent noise reduction system can differentiate between actual image details and unwanted noise with pinpoint accuracy. What does this mean for photographers? Cleaner images, sharper details, and vibrant colors, even in the most challenging conditions. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or action scenes, the TruePic 11 ensures every shot is gallery-worthy. Game-changing stabilization. Stabilization is where the OM system OM-3 truly shines. With an unprecedented 8 stops of in-body image stabilization, this camera lets you push creative boundaries like never before. Shooting handheld in low light? No problem. Recording smooth cinematic video while on the move? Consider it done. This level of stabilization is a game changer for photographers and videographers alike. It ensures that your shots remain sharp and steady, even in the most demanding scenarios. Paired with lens stabilization, the OM-3 feels like an extension of your hand, anticipating and compensating for movements with remarkable precision. AI-powered autofocus. Say goodbye to traditional focusing systems. The OM system OM-3 introduces an AI-driven autofocus system that's smarter, faster, and more accurate than ever before. This isn't just autofocus. It's predictive visual tracking that understands your subject's movements before they happen. Wildlife photographers, imagine capturing a bird in mid-flight with perfect clarity. Sports enthusiasts, think about freezing the exact moment an athlete makes their winning move. This autofocus system doesn't just track subjects, it anticipates them, giving you the power to capture once-in-a-lifetime shots with ease. Video capabilities, a filmmaker's dream. The OM system OM-3 isn't just a camera, it's a portable cinema studio. With support for 4K video at 120 frames per second and Full HD at 240 frames per second, this camera is a dream for filmmakers. Add in OM-Log HLG and ProRes RAW support, and you have a tool that's ready to tackle professional filmmaking projects. From documentaries to artistic short films, the OM-3 delivers exceptional video quality, dynamic range, and color grading flexibility. Independent filmmakers will find it to be a reliable companion for visual storytelling. Rugged build for every adventure. Durability is at the core of the OM system OM-3's design. Encased in a magnesium alloy body, This camera is built to withstand the elements. Whether you're shooting in scorching desert heat, freezing mountain peaks, or torrential rain, the OM-3 is up for the challenge. The weather-sealed design ensures that dust, moisture, and temperature extremes won't hinder your creative pursuits. Lightweight yet robust, this camera is the perfect travel companion for adventurers and professionals alike. Next-level display and connectivity. The OM-3 features a vari-angle touchscreen and an OLED electronic viewfinder with 5.76 million dots of resolution. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, this EVF offers unparalleled clarity and smoothness, making it feel like you're peering into another dimension. Connectivity-wise, the OM-3 is equipped with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and USB-C charging. Transferring images, editing on the go, and sharing your work has never been easier or faster. This camera ensures that you stay connected and productive, no matter where you are. Battery life that keeps up. With a battery life capable of delivering up to 600 shots per charge, the OM-3 lets you focus on capturing moments rather than worrying about power. Power delivery support ensures that you can recharge quickly, keeping downtime to a minimum. Release date and pricing. Mark your calendars. The OM System OM-3 is set to debut on February 6, 2025 at CP Plus Japan, with availability projected for Q2 2025. Priced between $1,500 and $1,700, this camera offers incredible value for the features it delivers. A glimpse into the future. The OM System OM-3 isn't just a camera, it's a vision of what photography can become. It's a tool that empowers creators to push boundaries, challenge norms, and redefine visual storytelling. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the future of photography. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech innovations. Until next time, this is Technology in the Future, reminding you to keep exploring, keep creating, and keep pushing the limits of what's possible.